Today I'm going to teach how to make a half double crochet stitch. So to work a half double crochet stitch, you will yarn over, insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, that's pull the loop up through the stitch. You should now have 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull that through all 3 loops. That makes a half double crochet. I'm going to repeat that. You yarn over, insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. You do not have to pull the yarn through all 3 loops all in one go. You can pull it through each loop individually if that's easier for you. I find that different yarns work different ways, so sometimes going 1 loop at a time can help things not to split on you or to get confusing. So far I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half double crochet stitches in this row. I'm going to keep going. We yarn over, insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. I want to point out that I am not pulling these loops and stitches really tight. If I wanted to, I could make this a very, very, very tight stitch by pulling really tight as I work, and that makes for a much tinier stitch than the rest of my half double crochets. I'm not trying to make things super tight. I'm trying to make them even. So when you pull a stitch, when you pull a loop of yarn really, really tight, you compress the fibers. And that means that you can make the stitch spaces between the stitches even more obvious and bigger because you've compressed the fibers and you've prevented them from filling in those spaces in between the stitches. So you want the fiber of your yarn to be fluffy and light and to fill in the space between each stitch as you make your stitches. So again, we yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up. We keep those loops and yarns light, not too tight, not pulled super, super taut. We yarn over and we pull that through all 3 loops, keeping those stitches not loose, but not tight. We want that nice middle ground. And that's the half double crochet stitch. I hope that helps.